Top 5 Best Lift Kits for Dodge Ram 1500. Number 5. Rough Country Lift Kit for Dodge Ram 1500, 3-inch suspension lift kit with premium N2 shocks. The Rough Country 3-inch suspension lift kit is the smart solution to lifting the short-lived Dodge Ram 1500 2-5 models. This lift kit comes with absolutely everything you need in order to get your pickup truck high off the ground while providing a level, comfortable, like new ride. This lift kit, see full specs, comes with coil springs, 1.5-inch blocks, U-bolts, and premium N3 shocks. Altogether, this gives you a complete kit to lift your Dodge Ram in just 2 to 4 hours. Plus, because this kit comes with coil springs, you won't have to deal with spacers to get everything installed. Once your Ram is lifted, you'll be able to enjoy a ride that you haven't felt in your truck since the day you bought it. With the high-quality suspension and ultra-high durability coils, you can be sure you'll enjoy that smooth ride for as long as your pickup can run. This is easily one of the best Dodge Ram 1500 lift kits for the money. Coming in number 4. Rough Country Lift Kit for Dodge Ram 1500. The Rough Country 2.5-inch suspension leveling kit is your all-in-one solution to getting more clearance under your pickup. This kit comes with literally everything you need to add extra height to your 94:1 Ram 1500 4WD, from the hardware all the way up to brand new shocks. The leveling coil spacers and hardware make installation a snap while evening out the drive of your Dodge Ram. In fact, these spacers alone can keep your pickup riding like the day you got it just because of how level they keep the cab and bed. The N2 shocks also make the most out of natural suspension dynamics to keep your new lifted ride high off the ground and level. The best part of this kit is that it's 100% bolt-on compliant, meaning you just need the right tools to lift your truck yourself. If you have the right knowledge, or a helping hand, you can even get your truck lifted in just 2 hours. That's faster than some mechanics. With Rough Country, you pay for the quality you get. You'll replace the factory-installed shocks on your Dodge Ram, but you'll also notice an awesome difference once you're behind the wheel. Coming in number 3. Supreme Suspensions Lift Kit for Dodge Ram 1500. The Supreme Suspensions Dodge Ram 1500 Leveling Lift Kit is the all-in-one solution you need to ensure a level, high-clearance ride in your favorite pickup. This leveling lift kit comes with 2 aircraft billet strut spacers, 2 rear aircraft billet spring spacers, installation hardware, and a Supreme Suspensions Pro Pack to ensure you have everything you need to get this lift kit on your truck yourself. The inches in front spacers get your hood far off the ground, and the 2 inches back spacers help maintain a steady ride in your truck thanks to the physics of suspension dynamics. Plus, you'll now have an ultra-high lifted Dodge Ram 1500 that can handle larger tires, bigger rims, and a whole lot more power under the hood. You can also reuse your original factory shocks with this lift kit, so you don't have to worry about buying add-ons once you have your truck up and running. Hands down, this is one of the best lift kits for Ram 1500 trucks around. Coming in number 2. Supreme Suspensions Full Lift Kit for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. If you want to go bigger, but maybe not too big, this Supreme Suspensions lift kit might be for you. The kit includes 2 front strut spacers made out of anodized 6061 T6 billet aluminum and 2 rear lift spacers CNC milled from solid Dalrene thermoplastic. The aluminum is well known for its strength and toughness, and it won't compress under any heavy load. The Dalrene's properties include high wear resistance, stiffness, and strength, perfect for any heavy-duty job your truck needs to do. Like the previously mentioned 2.5 inches lift kit, it's a bolt-on system. You'll increase ground clearance and you'll be able to fit 35 inches tires with this kit too. Why we like it? This Supreme Suspensions lift kit is affordable, long-lasting, and shouldn't take long to install. It's supposedly a 2 to 4 hour process, but we'd recommend that you go to YouTube for an assist. You might not like the included instructions. We've linked a video that should help with the front spacers below. The materials of the front and rear spacers are precision parts that are meant to last as long as your truck does, which means great value for a under $200 lift kit. Pros: high quality materials. Easy to do, bolt-on system. Very reasonable price. Cons. Included instructions might not be the easiest to understand. Doesn't work for some Ram 1500 models. Coming in number 1. Zone Offroad D9150. The Zone Offroad 1.5 inches body lift kit is a great way to give yourself a little lift without getting serious about spending, although it won't do much for adding ground clearance. The kit comes with everything you need, including grade 10.9 body bolts, really long wearing and strong carbon steel bolts, spare tire winch relocation, and rear bumper step support. You also don't need special tools to make the install happen. It's generally a bolt-on only installation, so should be pretty easy, but there are times that you'll need to do some minor drilling and cutting into parts of the truck. So, if you feel uncomfortable with that, then you'll also need to think about the cost of hiring someone. The lift is done through indestructible body blocks, giving you about a 1.5 inches lift in the front and the rear. With this kit, you can install up to 33 inches tires. Why we like it? We like this Zone Offroad kit because it's relatively easy to install and should take about an afternoon to complete, about 3 to 5 hours. If you don't like showing off your truck mods, this kit also has parts to relocate your front and rear bumpers so you can keep the factory look of your Ram 1500. Plus, the kit only deals with the body, that's it. You're not going to mess with the feel of the ride. It's a simple mod that'll give you that height boost and change the body lines of your truck without a big money commitment. Pros. Easy installation, no special tools needed. Keeps the factory look. Keep the same driving performance. Cons. Not for Dodge Ram 1500 Mega Cab models. Only fits tires up to 33 inches. Not much additional ground clearance.